Are you afraid of reading comprehension, or are you afraid of critical reasoning, or are you afraid of quant, or you're afraid of data insight, or any type of question that comes on GMAT exam? There's one solution which is required to get out of that fear, and that is exposure. For example, today morning while having a class with one of my students, he joined my classes last week. So he said that we did 3-4 classes on reading comprehension, and then I gave a timed quiz to him. So there was a weekend in which he just have to give a quiz. It is a 30 minutes quiz which has 2 passages. So on today morning when we met, so he said that I could not take that quiz. I was so much into that fear, and he was like into total blackout mind where he's not able to take any action. So I said, what was stopping you? He said, I don't know. Means, I still doubt that will I be able to solve the questions? Will I be able to read? Will I be able to follow the right approach that you just mentioned? I said that I understand that there is an approach, there's a way that we read, and that is the right way to read. So what you can do is just take a quiz. Don't worry about to follow the right approach, whether to complete it, what will be the score. Because if you're afraid of something, the best way out is to do it so many times that we get so comfortable without bothered about the results. Because we learn in different stages. First stage is to get out of that starting fear. So starting fear is where we're not able to take the starting step. So if you do not do a lot of practice and you're not concerned about the right approach or the accuracy, then you'll not be afraid of moving forward. Because again, it's a mental block. So we can just get over it just by going forward without focusing on the results. Once you reach there, then we talk about, okay, what is the right approach? How can increase the speed? Because if you're not able to start, we cannot reach anywhere. So if you're afraid of, let's say, quant, if you're afraid of solving questions of any particular topic, for example, permutation, combination, or probabilities, one of the areas where most of the students face difficulty, and they're afraid of it, though they are aware of the concepts, but because they have not practiced enough, they're afraid of it. So I just tell them, okay, just keep doing solving the questions, because they always start, oh, I have to solve this question in 2 minutes, I have to get high accuracy. If I do 10 questions, I should get 10 out of 10, but they're not able to start. So the only thing you have to do is to just start solving the question. Maybe start with 2 questions, 3 questions in a day. That is more than sufficient. Because after 10 days, you have already done 30 questions. Even if you go with 2 to 3 questions a day. But if you don't start, even after 10 days, you will be in the same state, just thinking, what should I do? So forget about, finding the right approach, how to solve the question in how much time. Just start, and start with a small amount. Because starting resistance is the biggest resistance. Once you get into the flow, things will flow for you. Try this out if it helps you out. Thank you.